Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by signing into Gmail, then open your Google account page and go to Personal Info. Once there, tap Contact Info and pick Phone, add a number and choose Mobile or Work so Google knows the context. Enter the full number with the country code, then press Send to get a verification code. You will receive a 6-digit SMS or automated call. Keep the device handy because you will need to enter that code in the next step. Once you enter the 6-digit code, Google confirms the number and adds it to your account. Make sure to set it explicitly as your recovery phone so Google uses it for account recovery. Next, enable two-step verification and choose SMS or phone call as a verification method. Although an authenticator app is stronger, SMS is fine as a backup. If you use older mail apps, create app passwords now so those clients keep working without breaking sign-in. You finish by confirming the phone appears under Contact Info and in Security Settings, then test signing in from another device to request a verification code. Make sure Gmail and the Google app show the updated recovery number so future prompts use it. If something goes wrong, for example, you don't receive the SMS, check that the carrier allows short codes, verify the device isn't blocking unknown senders, try the voice call option, or remove and re-add.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.